This product requires the use of the Tuya app. Turn on the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your phone. Click Add Device. Long press the Network Configuration button for 5 seconds, and then the indicator light will flash. When selecting a network, please choose True for G Wi-Fi instead of 5G Wi-Fi. This product needs to be used with a door magnet. When the door magnet is separated, the door is in the open state. When it is closed, the door is in the closed state. The opening and closing status of the door can also be controlled by the app. Here is the history record. Here are other settings.